Hey everyone, Jordan here from Strut. I'm excited to walk you through our new AI workspace we're building specifically for writers. Now, if you're like me, you're tired of all these AI tools trying to automate writing, when in reality, the quality is just bad, and even worse, it's being used to create all this AI spam that's now clogging up the internet. Don't worry, Strut is the complete opposite of these tools. What we've done is actually tried to build a workspace that allows you to run your entire writing process, really so that you can do your best work. So let's dive in and see exactly what we've built here. So in Strut, you get to create these workspaces that you can customize to your exact writing process. Everything from ideas to research, drafts, outlines can now all be organized in one place, which makes it just really easy to go nuts with your team on creating content, working on different versions, and do so in a way where everything stays effortlessly organized. And of course, it also gives you a real sense of progress as you're moving these content pieces through different stages, everything from outline to drafts to done. And all of this is done in a super clean text editor that's fully multiplayer so that you and your team can be working on pieces together. Or as well, if you just want a nice, good, focused editor, it does that as well with all the features that you need in order to just make a great looking piece of content. And when you get stuck, that's when Strut's AI comes in to help you. It's not here to automate your work, but to actually collaborate with you. And there's multiple ways which you can do that. You can choose from a growing list of AI commands that come preloaded inside of Strut to help you with writing tasks like brainstorming ideas or repurposing content. You can also edit content in line using different ways of adjusting tones or expanding the content. And then the last thing you can do is actually chat with AI, which gives you just like unlimited ways to work with your content and AI by using your own custom prompts. For example, in this case, I actually combined my notes on renewable energy, which is right here, with my outline for a climate tech blog post to create a newsletter. And you can see that I was actually able to remix my content with the help of AI and create something that I ultimately like. And if I like what I see, I can just create a document out of it. And you can see here, now it's been added to my ideas section. So I can continue to rework that on my own. And the last thing I'll mention is that Strut's AI actually sounds like you. It doesn't sound like a robot. And the way that we do that is we allow you to create unlimited amounts of brand and voice and tone guides that you can either create yourself, maybe have one for clients you're working with, or you can generate from websites, whether that's a link to one of your blog posts or just a website that you really love. And once you do that, you can just return to your workspaces, you can choose that brand voice, and then when Strut actually writes the content, it'll take all of that into account when it actually articulates it in the language that you want. So this is just an example of how Strut helps you do your best work. We're really trying to create a space where your entire writing process can be done with the help of AI, with project management, with notes, and with your teams. This is not about automating writing, it's about enhancing the craft of writing. So we hope that you get in here. We're live now. We're totally free. We'd love your feedback. We're excited to continue building the best workspace for writing together. Thanks so much, and we'll see you online.